What is up guys, it's MiTHi and today I'm gonna review the Emirates Airbus A380-800 scale 1 to 200. Okay, we start with the box. Airbus A380-800 scale 1 to 200. A picture of the aircraft, Emirates, www.emirates.com. Airbus A380-800, Emirates logo. Emirates officialized store.com, the place when you can buy these models. Airbus A380 scale 1 to 200, same story. Airbus A380 scale 1 to 400, official licensed product, Emirates. Okay, on the back, Emirates Airbus A380 scale 1 to 400 specification. You can read it for a few seconds. A picture of the aircraft. Okay, we start with the front. We have Airbus A380, Emirates, www.emirates.com, Emirates in Arabic. Here the engines, logo of Emirates in Arabic once again. Here we have the number of the aircraft is A6-EEK, flag of Emirates. The winglets with Emirates logo. We have landing gears on this model, Emirates. The landing gear can roll. They are made of rubber. On the other side, it's the same, but we have cargo doors here and here. Emirates Airbus A380-800, Emirates in Arabic, the engines, logo of Emirates, flag of Emirates, cargo doors here and here, front view of the aircraft, side view of the aircraft, the other side of the aircraft, back view of the aircraft, and the underside of the aircraft. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned because there will be more videos soon. Bye.